Today we explain how to buy shares of Lennox International Inc., a global HVAC equipment manufacturer. Lennox trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LII, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To place trades, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker code LII. Choose the listing that explicitly says Lennox International Inc. to ensure it is the correct share. On the asset page, check the company summary and confirm it matches Lennox International Inc. Review the price chart and key details to make sure this is the NASDAQ LII stock you want. Tap Invest, select the amount or number of shares, then review order settings and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade is completed. After execution, your Lennox position will appear in your portfolio with holdings and transaction history. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.